It's 3 pieces, and you're tying in to trend after trend after trend and Robin Barré's favorites when it comes to the season. So yes, you are getting the scarf. Yes, you are getting the t-shirt, and yes, you're getting the pants. One whole look that you can wear as one complete outfit, or you're going to be able to piece it with different items, either Robin Barré items or anything else you might have in your wardrobe. I mean, that scarf alone, it's so cute. And I love it with the blue. I mean, the blue with that little, you know, the butterflies that are on the scarf, and then of course the pull-on pant. I mean, it doesn't get any easier than that when it comes to dressing. And the only decision you have to make, because keep in mind, when you get this 3 pieces, you don't actually have to make any decisions. You're gonna put everything together, but we do need you to make one decision, right? Well, first of all, the decision to log on. Do that if you can, because our phone lines are busy, but then you just have to choose which combination of our blockbuster that you want. So the one that Katie is wearing here, we've got the blue. It's this gorgeous, almost like a sky blue with the butterflies, and look how beautiful. I mean, this scarf alone is so designer, gorgeous with little bits of merlot and gray and almost a bit of a gold. But then I've got to pull out the next one here. Look at this. Can you just say spring has sprung? My goodness, beautiful rose pattern in there, gorgeous leaves, almost in that olive color, and a beautiful pink. And this is a bit of a unique pink here. It's gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous here. And then paired with the denim pant. Okay, so we got the blue, we got the pink. Let me see if I can make sure I get all of them in here for you. So we've also got the black. Oh, okay, this is nice. So all black, that's super easy. So remember what I said about maybe your uniform is that you tend to like wearing all black? Well, when you add a splash of color with that scarf, it really just ups your game. It elevates your style in the easiest way. And look how flowy this scarf is. It's beautiful with that rose. We've also got the white. Now, the white, this is beautiful. Tell you what, look at this. Gorgeous indigo colors. We've got that bright green. This is spring for sure. Gorgeous pink here. Well, I don't know if that's a peony, maybe. Robin Barré will tell us everything, but it's almost, you got a little forest in here. Absolutely perfect. And then one more to show you here. Look at this. We've got the gray, a very soft, almost like a dove gray in the t-shirt, and kept it pretty simple when it comes to the colors for this scarf. It's gray, dark gray, light gray, and white, and then paired with the black pant. Keep in mind, you don't have to choose. You don't have to make a single choice with this. All you have to do is choose your color, right? You don't have to decide, do I get the pants? Do I get the t-shirt? Do I get the scarf? No, you get it all.